Hey guys, in our last video we explored waterfall chart with the simple example. Today let's explore variance waterfall chart. So what I have here is a list of category with two sales, right? The cost of sales, basically the actual sales, and my sales, which is the forecasted sales. Okay. So with this example, we are what we are going to ideally do is we are going to capture the difference of these two measures for each of the category, and we are going to see how to visually represent that in a waterfall chart. I mean a variance waterfall chart. Okay? So let me pull the visual. So let's start by adding a dimension. My dimension is going to be the category name. I have to give a start value, which is my cost of sales. I'll name this as my actual sales. End value is going to be the sales. So in this example, we'll treat this as my forecast sales. Okay. Let me expand this for better visibility. So let's tweak some properties. Let's say the label name we gave is reflected over here, but it's not in the legend, right? So legend, we can tweak it over here. Let me give similar names over here: actual and forecast. Let's do some modification to the colors as well. So positive, let me go with green. Negative, I will leave it as such. Start value some blue shade, end value some orange shade. So we got the basic visual, right? So the overall idea is for each of these categories we are taking a difference of this cost of sales versus the actual sales. So and we are seeing the sales, actual sales, or the forecast is higher than this sales, right? So that is why we are seeing it in the green bars. Okay. So if the forecast is less than the actual, then we would be getting a negative variance over here. So that's the overall idea. The dimension can be a quarter or month, year, or category or product. So basically, for any of the dimension, we can find out the difference between this value start and the end value, and basically we can represent it, right? So that's how this variance waterfall chart works. Whereas in waterfall chart, we never had a dimension. Okay, it was all comparison between the measures, right? So hope we all got a basic understanding of variance waterfall chart. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.